Hello, Namaste everyone. Myself is Purnamadu Group, working as a primary teacher language. I have completed my graduation from IGNOU and my professional qualification is Diploma in Elementary Education. And it's been 11 years of experience working as a primary teacher. The name of our state is Sikkim and I am from South district. In our state Sikkim, we have only 4 districts at all, and among the 4 districts, our South district is smallest in area. In Sikkim, our South district is rich and forward in religious tourism and agricultural sectors because the famous Hindu holy temple Chardham is situated in South district Namchi along with the 2 famous Buddhist religious places, 108 feet tall statue of Guru Padma Sambhava and Tathagat Sal Buddha Park at Rabangla, South Sikkim, where thousands and millions of devotees and tourists used to come every year to visit these religious places. Beside this, our state Sikkim, one and only renowned Timiti Garden is also located in South Sikkim. The name of the school where I teach is Government Primary School Sumsi, South Sikkim. Our school is located in the remote area of South district where the internet facility is very poor. The total enrollment of the students in our school is 21 from LKG to class 5 and all of them belongs from the rural background. Now the problem area. All the students in our school are first generation learner and their parents are illiterate. Hence the students are not getting proper help from their parents' side to solve the assigned tasks and activities given by the teachers at the time of pandemic era. Through this online webinar ZIIEI of Sri Aurobindo Society, we have got a huge package of knowledge in this pandemic era, such as the idea of e-Pathshala, how to create a family tree, food preservation, and of course the concept of concept mapping. Above all, the importance of Bloom taxonomy to make the teaching learning process more effective and experimental. So here I would like to take an opportunity to thank our energetic trainer, respected Sandeep sir, from the core of my heart, who has been motivating us, guiding us and providing us fruitful training from last 3 to 4 months ago. He is very much helpful to us as a mentor, as a friend, as a guide, as a helper, and is ready to solve our queries through phone calls and WhatsApp chat each and every time. Now let us talk about the IPCT or Innovative Pathshala. IPCT or Innovative Pathshala app is such app which contains all the ZIIEI ideas and is very easy to use to make the teaching learning joyful and experimental, and also to make better learning outcomes of the student in the class without investing any money. Hence this training program ZIIEI of Sri Aurobindo Society indeed a great initiatives and hope it will be very much helpful to back up all the learning gaps of this pandemic era. Now the role model school, as I already said that our school is situated in remote area of South Sikkim, and if our school will selected as the role model school of the South district, it will open the door of opportunity to us to work and share those bunch of innovative ideas provided by the ZIIEI training program to make teaching learning process much more effective and experiential with zero investment with the teachers and students of other schools of South districts. Lastly, I would like to thank all the members of ZIIEI, Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank from the core of my heart for providing us such an amazing platform and fruitful training. Thank you all.